Tired of wobbly bunk beds? We've got the perfect solution. At Strictly Beds and Bunks, we do things differently. Our beds are crafted right here in the UK from solid Scandinavian pine. No cheap chipboard, no flimsy parts, just pure heavy-duty quality. We use extra thick slats, reinforced side rails and robust fixings. These aren't just beds, they're investments in your family's safety and comfort. Designed to last for kids, teens and even adults, these beds can handle it all. Sure, we may cost a little more, but think about what you're getting. Sturdy ladders, smiling kids and peace of mind. Plus, our beds come with a 36-month extended warranty option and support you can trust. Built in the UK, using solid pine from sustainable forests, our beds are made to endure. Easy to assemble, designed to take both children and adults, and backed by customer support you can count on. So why settle for less? Choose a bed that's built stronger, built safer, and built to last. Because your family deserves better. Deal directly with the manufacturer for the best quality and service. Strictly Beds and Bunks, makers of heavy-duty, solid pine bunk